Hello guys, so I thought that today I'll share something with you and it's that कि I overthink a lot. मतलब किसी फ्रेंड ने मुझे टेक्स्ट नहीं किया, आई ओवर थिंक. किसी फ्रेंड ने मुझे बहुत दिनों के बाद कॉल किया, लाइक आफ्टर मंथ्स आई स्टार्ट ओवर थिंकिंग. अगर कोई चीज़ मेरे प्लान के हिसाब से नहीं हुई, आई स्टार्ट ओवर थिंकिंग एंड इवेंचुअली इट टर्न्स आउट दैट आई ब्लेम माई सेल्फ. So to stop this, to actually manage this overthinking, I have been doing few things and I thought I'll share with you. And if it's helpful for you also, then good for you. So the first thing that I do is that I just write down whatever I'm thinking, whatever the thoughts are on paper. And this kind of gives a distance from that ruminating mind and it's quite helpful. So it's like you're seeing a mirror and you can see what actually you're thinking, and you can sort out whether it's a rational thought or it's irrational thought. And if it's irrational thought, then there is no point in thinking further, so automatically the overthinking cycle stops there. So this is how it has been helpful for me. And if you're someone who don't like to write actually, then you can use the notes app and just type down whatever you're thinking. This is also quite helpful. So yes, second thing that I do is that if I'm lazy enough, I just don't want to write it down, then I'll go and talk to the person who I trust. And how this is helpful is that you get a different point of view. So when you have the ruminating thoughts, first of all, you don't get any new perspective, you don't get any new solution out of it because it's just a loop. Okay. And when you talk to someone, you get a new point of view, you get a new perspective, and from that you also might get a solution. Okay, you also might start thinking that okay, this is not something that's aligning to the situation right now, this is not the thought that is actually aligning with whatever is happening, so why am I even thinking this? So eventually the cycle will stop. So yes, even this also helps. And if you don't have someone to talk to, and if for some reasons the person you trust the most is not available, then what you can do is that you can start talking to yourself. Just start thinking out loudly. Okay, so how this is helpful is that when you start thinking your thoughts loudly, speaking it out loudly, when you listen to your thoughts, you actually start thinking and you start reframing those thoughts. Okay, so for example, if my friend doesn't text me back, so how I will overthink is that कि यार मैंने इसको तो टेक्स्ट किया था कुछ 6 घंटे पहले और इसने अभी तक मुझे रिप्लाई बैक क्यों नहीं किया, मतलब मैंने कुछ बोल तो नहीं दिया था इसको जब लास्ट टाइम मिली थी, डिड समथिंग हैपन. ओके, मतलब मजाक मजाक में कुछ बोला था मैंने लेकिन उसको काफ़ी टाइम हो गया, तो दैट डजंट मेक सेंस दैट शी इज़ नॉट टेक्सटिंग मी बैक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. So no, that must not be the reason. Maybe she is having her own stuff, so that's why she's not texting me back. I'll wait for 1 to 2 days more, and if she doesn't text me back, I'll just give her a call. So this is how overthinking, I reframed it and my overthinking stopped. So yes, this is also helpful. Yes, it might be weird initially because खुद से बातें करना मतलब people will say are you पागल, but no, it is helpful. You should try it out. These were the few things that I have tried. Overthinking per se, if it's कभी कभी, then it's not that harmful, but if it becomes habitual, मतलब किसी भी छोटी छोटी बात को लेके अगर तुम overthink कर रहे हो, then भाई तुम्हारी growth रुक जाएगी, क्योंकि you will be constantly in that overthinking zone. तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि तुम्हारा दिन कैसा जा रहा है. तो इसलिए you have to manage it. And if this video has been helpful to you, then please like and subscribe to the channel. And yes, thanks for watching. Bye bye.